in the state of Kerala. It marks the homecoming of the legendary king Mahabali. Intricately decorated Pookalam, ambrosial Onasi dance are most of remarkable features of Onam. Before we move on, I would kindly raise
സ്വരമേഴും പാടി വരവായി പൊന്നിൻ പൂത്തിരുവോണം വാഗപ്പൂവേ നിന്നാണമകന്നോ പൊന്നാവണി വെട്ടമുണർന്നല്ലോ വയനാടൻ കാവുകളിൽ കളമെഴുതും കരവിരുതേ കളരിത്തറ തിരിതെളിയും തിരുനെല്ലിത്തുമ്പികളെ ഒരു പൂവനിയിൽ വരപാലൊളിയായി നിറപാലപ്പൂവേ ഓലക്കുടയിൽ സ്വരമേഴും പാടി വരവായി പൊന്നിൻ പൂത്തിരുവോണം
as a token of our love and
the discipline, the respect, the mutual understanding, what you have exhibited. I've been watching from 9 o'clock you are standing for the procession. Now it's almost 11. When I complete this speech, it will be 11:10 or 11:15. It is not small. 2 hours, 15 minutes, your class is only 1 hour. And really, friends, it should not continue, last for one day. It should be forever. Tomorrow, when you join the companies, when you are employed, self-employed, when you are in various fields of life, when you are in various walks of life, in your family life, in your personal life, if you maintain even 50% of the dignity what you exhibited today, I am telling you will be 101% successful in your life. It is not the question of 1 degree, 1 college, 3 years, 4 years. It's the question of life. Why our elders were celebrating festivals? Why our leaders are always calling for, communal harmony, political harmony, region, language. We have not given any call. It is automatic. It is natural in Karavali. That natural tendency is a blessing of the God. It is possible only with the blessing of the God. Whichever God you believe, whether Rama, Krishna, Allah, Rahim, or Jesus Christ, whichever God you believe, God has blessed you, and your parents have supported you, and your principal and teachers. Today especially, I am very happy with the teachers. Rarely, I will be happy with the teachers. I would like to congratulate, appreciate and thank all the teaching faculty members, all the group, entire group. Please continue this tradition of success, tradition of involvement, tradition of participation, tradition of tolerance, and more than all above, tradition of satisfaction and happiness. Once I see smile in the face of students and teachers, I am satisfied. Once I see you are sitting like in a compulsion, like a punishment, I don't enjoy it. What is life? We are all here within the framework. Of course, we are little disciplined, little strict. For what? For to see that you are not only becoming graduates or postgraduates, but you are becoming the responsible, charismatic, understanding citizen of this great country. Entire world is looking at India. I need not explain. So many people are telling so many things. But the speed in which India is growing, speed in which all the positive, productive and constructive developments are taking place. Gone are the days where only people were looking at US and UK. Honorable Prime Minister has called, don't go abroad, I will give the same salary in India. PhDs are given the scholarship of 75,000 per month. Students, you are lucky, I am telling you. Most of the students are getting bank loan facility, irrespective of SC, ST, backward, minority. So, in total, celebration need not be concluded for a day or 1 hour. It is for the life. And even now, if you look at my Facebook, my students, ex-students are commenting, sir, we are missing that celebration. The sports day, tug of war, Onam, Diwali, graduation day, college day, award ceremony, Kaizen, design fiesta. Karavali is the only college, not only in the city, in entire India, which has unique programs like this. Everybody celebrates Engineers Day, Lawyers Day, Doctors Day. That everyone does. The unique program, whether it is a design fiesta, whether it is a Kaizen, is exclusively. So many people try to even to copy Onam. I am not telling with a negative note. I am happy, glad and proud. Whatever good things Karavali College does, all the professional colleges are trying to copy, but unfortunately they are not successful in copying it properly. Deepavali, so many people try to copy. We are happy. That is our intention. It is not only restricted to Karavali. Entire India should, shine and jump and dance and celebrate. And I am happy we are instrumental for that. We don't want anybody's certificate. We are not bothered about the appreciation and criticism. We know what we are and we are happy about that. We have decided to continue this tradition of not only success but also tradition of the discipline. Because I always say academy is second. If you are weak in academic, it can be developed. You can be trained. You can be motivated. But if you are weak in discipline, your life is really in danger. Look at the other professional colleges. Look at the entire scenario. Drugs, sex, caste, community, region, language, political interference. Karavali College, I already announced, if any MP or MLA telephones, even though I respect them, I will not entertain. Instead of that, approach our leaders, approach our staff members. We are with you because you are my sweet children. Whatever you want, as far as you are within the legal and moral framework, we are here to help you. With these few words, my dear students, I don't want to deliver a lengthy speech today because I am happy. Mugambo Kushwa. But I really feel sorry. So many students are outside. But what to do? I thought all will not come. All have come. Majority have come. All comes. I want 2 halls. Anyway, that is your college. Whatever happens, good or little problem, you adjust. It is your family. You enjoy the entire day and enjoy all the celebration. You know, come out with flying colors, support your friends, take selfie, take group photo, chat, send, you know, share, do whatever you want. Today is a free day for you. All the best, happy time, and I would like to conclude with one note. The media may ask, sir, what is the prominence of the celebration? Prominence, we are trying to build a new India. Vibrant India, positive India, constructive India. Always, you look at the youngsters tomorrow, they are the tomorrow leaders. Some of them may they reach very high level. Some of them may start their own industry. Some of them start their own college. Some of them may enter politics. Some of them become very good, nurses or Ayurvedic doctors. Already my ex-students are enjoying in the industry of designing. I am telling you, both interior design and fashion design, especially interior design, not even a single student of Karavali is suffering. They are simply enjoying their life as far as monetary benefit is concerned, as far recognition is concerned, as far respect is concerned, as far involvement is concerned, as far social equation is concerned. And always I get the calls from various industries. Sir, your students are extremely good as far as discipline is concerned. That is so because of such celebration. Again, I don't want to claim the credit. Credit will go to all my team members, that is the faculty members and principal. And majority, 60% share, I would like to give to students. 40% teachers you take. I don't want share, I will get 0. If today Karavali College is successful, it is not because of Ganesha. If Karavali College is successful, it is because of students, it is because of faculty member, it is because of principals. I am only motivating, I am only guide. God has blessed me to help you, encourage you, support you. You have maintained it. So many times what happens in life, when somebody supports, you think whether this fellow has a privilege or advantage. We don't have any advantage except we are always saying we are happy, we have satisfaction. Year after year, batch after batch, it is growing, and whenever there is a growth, always there is a risk of indiscipline, there is a risk of inequality, there is a risk of groupism which is not visible in Karavali. That is the reason I told media friends, we are trying to build nation, we are trying to vibrant nation, whether it is a Onam, whether it is a Deepavali, whether it is any other festival, whether it is a Christmas, whether it is a Moharram, it will not make any difference for us. One side we are saluting and thanking and recognize the God Almighty. Other side, we are recognizing God within the human beings, the good qualities what you have, the tolerance what you have, positive, vibrant energy what you have, that is a God. So don't search for the God, don't search for the satisfaction. Satisfaction is within you, God is within you. Once you love everyone, once you appreciate everyone, once you recognize everyone, God is within you. Once you are successful, God is within you. Once you try to tolerate and sacrifice for the sake of other productive activities.
Extend a very hearty gratification to our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, the founder and managing trustee of Karavali Group of Colleges, for your indigenous presence. Thank you, sir. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Srimati Lataji Rao Madam, the Director of GR Education Trust, for her gracious presence during this occasion and also for her support and encouragement in all our events. Thank you, ma'am, for your presence. Our sincere thanks to all our principals and respected fraternities of Karavali Group of Colleges. Thank you all. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the media persons who captured the moments and placed on record. I thank the teaching fraternities and non-teaching staff for their coordination and support. I thank all the students present here for making the celebration a grand success. Thank you all.
Janana janana tanana tanana tom. Janana janana tanana tanana janana janana tanana tanana tom tom. Janana janana tanana tanana tom tom. Janana janana tanana tanana geet dhumi ko takadhi na trikita tom naach rahi gori tai 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 tom phir tom geet dhumi ko takadhi na trikita tom naach rahi gori tai 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 tom phir tom geet dhumi ko takadhi na trikita tom naach rahi gori tai 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 tom phir tom geet dhumi ko takadhi అలరి తోం 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 తకతన తని అలరి గీత ధుని కు తక ధీమ్ నగృకే తతో నాచ రహి గోరి తాని కై తై తదుం తిరగతుం గీత ధుని కు తక ధీమ్ నగృకే తతో నాచ రహి గోరి తాని కై తై తదుం తిరగతుం నాడి కై తై తదుం తిరగతుం నాడి కై తై తదుం తిరగతుం గీత ధుని కు తక ధీమ్ నికు తక ధీమ్ నికు తక ధీమ్ ബാലകൃഷ്ണനമ്പാടിയിൽ ലീലയാ വളർന്നു. കാലമൊത്തു ചെന്ന നേരം ബാലകേളി നിന്നു. മാലതി ശരണടന കാലമതു വന്നു. ബാലകളെ തിരഞ്ഞവൻ ചാലവേ നടന്നു. ആരു നീ മനോഹരാങ്കി ചാരുഷിയെ ബാലിച്ചല്ല ആരുടെയ പുത്രിയും പ്രാണനാകുന്നു. ഹിന്ദു
ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳ ಸಮೂಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದಿನಂತೆ ವರ್ಷದಂತೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ಓಣಂ ಆಚರಣೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಓಣಂ ಆಚರಣೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಓಣಂ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ, ಬಡವ ಬಲ್ಲಿದ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂಧುಗಳು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಾರತೀಯರು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಮೂಲ ಮಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಪಠಿಸುವುದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಭಾರತದ ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಏನು ಉಜ್ವಲವಾದ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳುಂಟು. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಒಂದು ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ, ಕೂಚುಪುಡಿ, ಕಥಕ್ಕಳಿ, ಏನು ಅದು ಕತ್ತಿವರಸೆ, ಹುಲಿವೇಷ, ವಿವಿಧ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸು ನೃತ್ಯಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತದ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಪ್ರಕಾರವನ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನಂಶ ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಶಿಸ್ತುಬದ್ಧ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಹೆಸರು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ತೀವ್ರವಾದ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು, ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನು, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ BJP ಜನತಾ, ಕೇರಳ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ, ಉತ್ತರ ಭಾರತ ಹೇಳೋ ಭಾವನೆ ಬಾರದೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಾರತೀಯರು ಒಂದು, ಕೇವಲ ಭಾರತೀಯರು ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಒಳಿತಾಗಬೇಕು ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಆ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಗುರುವಿನ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ ನಿಲ್ಲುವಂಥ ಈ ಕಾಲಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇವಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಜೀವನ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು, ಜೀವನ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಾಳಿ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಉತ್ಸವದಿಂದ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳ ಸಮೂಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಣಂ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಓಣಂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆಂದ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವರ್ಷ ಓಣಂ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದೇ ಜಾತಿ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಇಲ್ಲದಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಹ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಣಂ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಥಕಳಿ, ಓಣಂಗೆ ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಡುವಂತಹ ನಾಟ್ಯಗಳು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಹ ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇರಳದ ಹಾಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದು ಕರಾವಳಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇರಳದ ಓಣಂ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಹಲವಾರು ಜಾತಿ ಧರ್ಮದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮರೆತು ಕೇರಳ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷ್ನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಧೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓಣಂ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಓಣಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮದುವೆನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದನ್ನು ನೃತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಾಚರಣೆಗಳು ಇವೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಂತಹ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ.